welcome to Rocket Shot, and today we're going to be smashing this fidget cube. It seems to be working, but it's a fake one, so we're just going to try to see what we can do. It's a fake one, see? Alright, let's get right into it. So what we'll be using is this thing. Let's get this set up. Let's go move this right here. Oh, we got it open. Alright. So right here we have all the damage. It only took 2 hits. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, so first part is the inside. So the inside is like pretty ugly. Alright, so we have these little buttons. These little buttons are for the buttons thing. And we got another one and another one. Alright, that's all 3. Alright, we got this little marble thing. That's awesome. I'll keep that right there. And the little gear things that you switch. Alright, and right here is the button thing. This thing came off. Just take this off. It's like plastic, yeah. Alright, we're gonna keep that there. Here's the shield. Let's continue smashing. Alright. Okay. I'm just gonna move this a little bit like this. Alright. Let's go. Alright, shoot. Oh, that's that far. Keep on smashing. Oh, I wanted a cart. I will go get that. Alright guys, so I got it back. Yeah, it's still pretty. It got a little bit of dirty, but let's continue smashing. Oh, there it goes again. Let's continue smashing. Alright, so I broke some parts of it, but there's no plastic bits, so you can set that aside. It's still kind of breaking, so let's set it aside. Oh, the joystick came out. Here it is, plastic bits. This right here. Let's go. Oh, more plastic bits are now starting to come out. Let's continue smashing. Oh, yeah, here's the actual joystick. That was the spinning wheel. Here it is. It's all starting to come off now. The switch right here isn't flipping anymore, so let's try to get that fixed. Oh. Keep on fixing it. Oh. Well, some plastic bits came out of it right here. So let me just go get that real quick. You can now sort of see what was inside the joystick, like right here. But who cares about that? We gotta keep on smashing. Alright, let's move this just like this a bit. Let's keep on smashing this. Right, a whole bunch of plastic parts are flying out, but yeah, it's still kind of breaking. Oh, here comes a big part. I'll put that aside. Oh, here comes the inside of the joystick area. Alright, let's continue smashing the rest. Right here. I almost hit my phone. Oh, here comes out some parts. I don't know what this does, nor does this. It's starting to crack. Here's another plastic bit that came out, but it's all just plastic shell. Oh, the Switch came out. Not the Nintendo Switch, but this Switch. Let's try to break it up a bit. Now it's all just shell. Let's start breaking this up. Oh, here it is. That I broke it out. It's like a Lego brick. Here's a plastic gear looking thing. Here's plastic, plastic, and plastic. And yeah, continue breaking it. Oh, by the way, more plastic. All right, it's just the shell left over. Let's just smash it. All right, I think I can just break it from hand now. Actually, no, I can't. I'm still kind of weak. Let's keep on smashing it. Holy. That goes flying. Let's keep on smashing it. A bit plastic bit came out. Right. Alright, a little bit more. Oh, there it goes. There's one bit. Here's the other bit. And here's one more bit. But there's just one last part that I can smash. So, oh, I'm flying. Still a bit. Let's break it. It just keeps on flying everywhere. All right, let's go break it. There it goes. Alright, here's one bit of it, here's the other. Let's just keep on breaking this stuff little bits. Alright, so here's this. I feel like I could just crack it. Yeah, that's broken. Little bits. Let's just try breaking this part more. The finger massager part. Keep on breaking it. Alright, here's one part. Just break it. Alright, here's this part. You can just put that aside. Little plastic bits everywhere. And I'll keep this smashing. Alright. Alright, there's that bit. And here's one more bit. Yeah, I'll show you just a close-up view of all the little bits. Yeah, that's a lot of bits. So let's just gather them all up. Let's do one final smash. Let's do it. I want to try smashing these buttons, these little ones, to see what's inside. So let's keep that right there. Alright. Alright. It's a little small. I can't hit it. Alright, here we go. So here's one little small part of it. I'm trying to rip it apart. Just a little wee bit of it. Let's try breaking it a bit more. Alright. Here is just a little part of it. So let's try getting it out. Well, yeah, here comes out a part. Right here. A little small bit. But here's the actual button. Oh shoot, it fell down. It's like a super small little piece. You could lose this very easily. Which is why what I'm gonna do, smash it. Let's turn it into ash. Alright. Let's look for it, because I lost it. Here it is. Let's clean it a bit. Alright, here it is. Oh shoot, it fell. Yeah, it's very small. Now, there's a whole hunk of plastic. And yeah, I want to look further more into this. So let's, oh shoot. Alright, here we go. Just gotta keep on smashing little bits of it. Keep on just, yeah, it doesn't seem to be breaking. It is cracking though, so, oh, there we go. Right, here's a little plastic bit of it. Alright, the flicky switch part. Alright, here's the inside. This is kind of what I'm like curious. Oh, they're magnets. So that's what these things are. They're all magnets. Let's try to get them out. All right, here's one little magnet. I'll keep that right there. One little magnet. And the other. All right, here's the other little magnet. And they just stick right together. Here's the inside. It's just a little middle plate, but like, yeah. Keep that aside. So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. See ya.